Okay, we're back. Mixed up paint. I'm going to use a heat protection spray. And why? It's because it has dimethicone in it. And all you have to do is, because I don't think you can buy this in all over the place, but it's a heat protection spray. And if you read the ingredients, you'll come by dimethicone that's in there. So we'll just test that. Now we're gonna pour back the background again. We're gonna keep it the same as the previous pours, of course. Let it run down there. And of course I'm gonna do the sides. Never know how beautiful it's gonna be. Maybe you don't want to touch it anymore. I know usually people really want to get into the pouring, but the preparation part is important too, because you want to have your canvas fully covered with paint. Even though you're doing negative space, you don't want the bare canvas coming through. That's important. It's a no-no. Usually that will yellow over time if you don't have your canvas totally covered. Okay, there we have it. Now we have the little paints all done. So I'm gonna start off, oops, almost forgot to add this stuff. Okay. One spray in each color. Ooh, and that smells good. Just a little stir, not too much. But up to now, the real dimethicone, that works best. So let's this time start with the dark blue. That's that one. Then add the white from up high so it does a little mixing all by itself. Now these little paper cups, they do tend to soak up some moisture, but the good thing is they are so cheap so that you can just use them and throw them out. They do their job. Even for the ribbons, you can really make a really small little sprout and then, you know, just pour. That works fine. That's that. And the green, of course, from up high, because I want it to really get through all the layers. And as last, I'm going to put in a little bit of white from up high, and this is without the dimethicone in it, but everything's in there right now. So we have our little canvas covered in white without dimethicone, but the same mix as the paint. Oh, let's just put it down there. Put it on there, make it come down. That's a nice little pour. I'm gonna torch it straight away. Just a tiny little bit disappointed. Also little tiny cells. See that? You can make them bigger, but you'll have to do that with tilting. But we're going to use the little airbrush like we did with the other ones. That's kind of nice. Where's my torch? I hope there's going to be some cells there. Not too much. That is a shame, because I really would love to have this where I blow the with the airbrush, have all those things seal up. There it goes. Nah, that's not enough to bring it to the top. There are tiny little cells, as you can see. I am going to pour it right off. Well, that is kind of cute. Gotta say that. Letting that go over the edge. Look at that. That is kind of beautiful. Let me get you in really close. There it is. It does have something to it. But it's because of the colors, I'm pretty sure. It's the colors that really make it pop. Let me clean my hands off. And what I think I'd like to add is something like dots, but in the really in the wet paint. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, I have a syringe loaded, pushing out the air bubbles. Sometimes you have to push out the air. Okay, let's see what we can do here. That is nice. That is really nice. Let me see if I can get you guys in closer. There you go. And in focus. Oops, I'm starting to tremble a little bit. I'm getting real quiet, I know, but that's because I'm really concentrating and getting them nice in a row. Then I'm gonna add little ones. I'm so hoping they're gonna stay on top. By looking at it now, I think they will, because usually they sink a lot faster. Putting really little ones and then a couple of bigger ones. That's cool. I'm pushing kind of hard. Let's put some more big ones in. Then the little ones. And we'll see. If it sinks, it's no problem. We can just do them. Yeah, I see a couple little ones sinking a little bit. See that one, and that one, and that one. That one isn't totally round anymore. Well, we'll just see what happens. But up to now, I like this little band of dots. I'll have to do one down there too, because it has to be pulled together a little bit. It's kind of nice. Now I'm gonna do this one. First the big ones. Then the little bit smaller ones. Ooh, they're sinking in there. That's it. And it calls for glitter, yeah. Of course, the holographic type, because that is kind of cool. That's it. Look at that. Wow, that is beautiful. Just a little puff of glitter on top and it gives you that beautiful little sparkle. What I would like is that the corner is a little bit better. I'm doing a lot of work on this one because I really like this one. Just want to put a little bit of paint here on the corner. Let's get the little palette knife because that's it. That's it. Ooh, it's so pretty. I'm loving this one. And I don't mind if the little dots sink in a little bit because they sort of, I think I might even pull through it with something. Yes. I know you're telling me stop, 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 but I'm gonna do it anyway. Because I think if I pull through here, just the big one, see how pretty that is, and the other one the other way, and then down again, and then up again. That is really cool. I'm gonna do a little bit more on that, but first this one. Pulling it up, pulling it down, and up, and down. That is cool, I like it. But I want to make it a little bit more like something is weird is going on here. See that? Because otherwise it's just like some sort of a little pattern. And I'm not into little patterns. So now it looks like some, I don't know, something really cool. That is really cute. I should be doing that more. This is fun. It's like Rick with his purple dart. Now it looks really beautiful. First the dots, I don't know. I like the dots, but now I like this better. See how beautiful that is? Man, I want to do more of that. Oh boy. Okay. Can you pick up the little glitters? I hope so. Just a little bit, not too much. Now this is a stunner. I love this one. Okay. Gonna put it away. And I still have one more hair product I want to test, but I'm not feeling it with the hair product. And then I'm going to go to spray silicone to finish it off. So we have 2 more to go. See you in the next one. Love you all. Liebe euch alle.